Everybody wants to make $50 a day, especially if you have a small account of less than $5,000. But is it really possible? Is it really possible to make $50 a day just trading a few stocks, one stock, four stocks, or even eight? I have a database of 58 stocks that trade well with the RSI indicator. So we're going to see today, using the RSI, whether you can make $50 a day trading 1, 4, 8, or 58 stocks and achieve $50 a day. There's 253 trading days a year. Multiply that by 50 and you get 12,650. So that's our goal, 12,650. So we're going to first see if we can make that using 58 stocks. I'm using a program called OmniBroker to do my back testing. So first of all, I want to set the watch list that we're going to use, the basket full of stocks, to be my RSI favorite list. Then I double check to make sure that tested for 1 year. We're going to use $1,200 per trade. We're going to have a max open trades of 12. We're going to trade with $10,000, but actually we have a $5,000 account with margin, which equals $20,000, but we only want to trade half of that, so that's why we say $10,000. And we make sure our stops are set to 2 and 5. 5% profit, 2% stop loss. And our bars, we want to be 18. Performing a back test and looking at the report. We see we have 12,434 net profit. We have 292 trades. We have a net profit percentage of 124. That's really good. And we have a win rate of about 84%. So, with 58 stocks, we netted $12,434 on 292 trades and a win rate of 84%. That's really good. It's high because we're using my favorite stocks. If I was using a bigger domain, it wouldn't be as high. The per day rate is $49.14. So using the best stocks that work well with the RSI indicator, we are able to achieve $50 a day. It's a little less, but it's good, close enough for government work. Now, for the purposes of this test, I've chosen 8 stocks: Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, IBM, Walmart, Kimberly-Clark, Coca-Cola, Netflix, and Nike. We're choosing Walmart as our first stock. The same settings as before, but this time we're only using one stock, and we got $10,000 in our account. So we're going to up that to 10. This is very risky to trade only one stock. Use your whole amount. And it looks like we got 4 trades and about $2,000. Let's look at the statistics. $2,000 profit, a very good annual rate, 20%. Anybody would want that. 4 trades. Average bar held is 825. So your money was idle a lot of the time with only one stock. Your money's set idle. Now you can use that to do some other things, and that's how I believe in swing trading, is that money is available to use other things. But we're just talking about just only trading one stock for the whole year, and that's you're concentrating all your effort, all your analysis, all your knowledge on the one stock, and that's Walmart. You're putting all your eggs in one basket. Your win rate's 100%. That's because you're trading such a small domain. So let's put this on the chart. So trading only one account and risking your full amount, you've done 4 trades, and if you had one loser, you would have been out. The first one was a loser. The win rate was 100%, and you made about $8 a day. Putting all your eggs in one basket is not a good thing. Let's try 4 stocks. Let's add Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, and IBM. All the settings are the same, but this time, instead of putting $10,000 in each thing, we're going to divide the $10,000 into 4, and that is 2005. Back testing it for the same period, using the same stop losses. Let's see what we get. Lots of wins there. That's very good. Net profit is $2,200. Not anywhere as close to $12,000. 21 trades, a lot of idle time. Average bar hold held was a 6, and the win percentage was 90%. Good win percentage, but your money sits idle a lot of the time. So, but it was better than the last just trading one stock. Let's annotate our chart. So, with 4 trades, we got $2,200 over 21 trades with a win rate of 90%, giving us $9 a day. We can see that probably to achieve this $50 a day, you'll need to have a larger basket full of stocks. We're going to do one more, and that is 8. And looking like it's not possible to do the $50 with a smaller number of stocks. You have to have a larger basket of stocks that trade well with the indicator that you're using. This time we're going to add Kimberly-Clark, Coca-Cola, Netflix, and Nike. Setting the amount per trade to be $12.50. That's 10,000 divided into 8, and doing a back test and looking at the net. And we're not anywhere as close. Updating the chart. So, trading 1, 4, or 8 stocks, which is manageable and it's ideal, and it creates some simplification. You cannot retrieve $50 a day with that small amount of stocks. You need a bigger basket. None of these netted more than $12,650. Only one stock, trading 58 and above, made the $50 a day rate. So the moral of this story is, in order to achieve your 50-day rate using an indicator like the RSI, which only gets a small amount of singles, you're going to need a larger basket of stocks that work well with that indicator. Or you need to get yourself another indicator, the one that trades a little more often and has a good, reliable win rate. MACD may be that indicator. We're going to do a back test in a little while, the next couple days, on the MACD indicator. There's other indicators out there. You just got to find one, understand it, and back test your system. Then choose some stocks that work well with that indicator, and you're well on your way. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe. We'll do more videos just like this. Thank you.